For over 25 years, Custom Built Spas has been providing award-winning DIY instruction and information on building spas, hot tubs, swim spas, and small pools. Started in 1999, Custom Built Spas, a veteran-owned business, has helped hundreds of customers around the world build beautiful spa, hot tub, and small pool projects. Not only does Custom Built Spas provide the best instructions and information available for these type DIY projects, Custom Built Spas also provides free, personal coaching help for your project from start to finish. You would be hard-pressed to find this type of personal service anywhere. Gil R. built this modest hot tub at his home in Puerto Rico with the help of his nephew. They could only work weekends, and their project was completed in 6 weeks. Tom M. built this beautiful hot tub at his vacation home in Costa Rica. He did over 80% of the work himself. Others finished the surround area details, helping Tom complete his hot tub project.
We would like to invite you to view a few more customer-completed projects and review some of our customer testimonials. Just go to www.custombuiltspas.com, where you can navigate to those pages, as well as get access to our information and instruction package. You'll be on your way to an awesome backyard project in no time.